Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting details about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone. If you're a fan of cutting-edge drone technology or just love to stay updated with the latest gadgets, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the production status. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is in the final stages of production, and it's generating a lot of excitement in the drone community. This drone promises to bring new levels of innovation to aerial photography and videography. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its new camera. The upgraded camera system is expected to deliver stunning image quality and improved performance. Additionally, the drone is equipped with LiDAR technology, which enhances its ability to navigate and capture precise data. This technology ensures that the Mavic 4 Pro can operate safely and effectively in various environments, making it a versatile tool for any drone enthusiast. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro also boasts an extended flight time. With an expected flight time of around 47 minutes, this drone allows you to capture more footage and explore the skies for longer periods without needing to recharge. When it comes to storage, the Mavic 4 Pro is truly impressive. It comes with a massive 2 TB internal storage, providing ample space for all your high-resolution photos and videos. This large storage capacity means you can store hours of footage without worrying about running out of space. Plus, you can expand the storage further with microSD cards, ensuring you never run out of space during your aerial adventures. Now, let's talk about the release date. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to be released in April 2025. This highly anticipated release is just around the corner, and we can't wait to see what this drone has to offer. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone introduces groundbreaking features like a new camera, LiDAR technology, extended flight time, and massive storage capacity. We can't wait to see how this drone enhances the aerial photography and videography experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and which features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.